Hi, I'm Lee and welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday, where we give you tips and tricks regarding the software that helps you get to where you need to be. Today we're going to show you how to hang a basic tower from two beams and what to consider when connecting this up. Let's get started. Right, to create a basic hanging scaffold, what I've done for this scenario, I'm going to connect onto beams. So these beams are 10 meters up off my page, and all I'm going to do is attach a basic scaffold to them. I'm going to pick what size I want. I'm going to have a 2 meter be a 2 meter. Click there. Back onto this one. I need a 2 meter again. There we go. So I've got 2 meter square. Drag my bay in. So as you can see, it's on the ground level. When you every time you pull a new bay on, it'll be on the ground level. So we need to do some options here first. So what I need to do is click on my bay, go to verticals, and then my base jacks, I want none. So it automatically removes the base jacks. I'm going to add a platform on my bottom lift. I need to add my handrails, I need to add toe boards, and then obviously I'm going to add another lift. Add another lift, there you go. Now obviously I need to make space from my beam, so this is going to be a working lift, so I need to click on my bay again, and then I need to extend my standards so they hook onto these here, onto my beams. So what I'm going to do is click on there, and then I'm going to verticals again and extend top. If I'm connecting these, it'll only connect on the L and B side, so if I extended that one, it'd be on here, or my B and R would be in here. I'm going to extend all of them. I'm going to extend them to 3. Click apply. So that's perfect for what I need. So now I'm going to put this over here. So they're going to sit either side like that. So they're going to be connecting onto it. So what I need to do now, while it's highlighted, in this section here I've got base nodes. I'm going to keep going up until it reaches. And as you can see there, that's the perfect height for what I need. So let's go into here. As you can see, they are connecting onto my beams. So it's simple hanging scaffold, connecting your beams on. But obviously what you need to think about is they're not going to connect on fresh air. So what I do when I create my beams, I go into here, and obviously I can add this as a part reference. So my part reference for this will be beam clamps. And then obviously I need to add another one in. So you keep going in here until you've got enough beam clamps. So I only need 2. Click OK. So that is connected to beam clamps. Okay. So that beam, I can drag that into here. If I'm going to do a multiple, I can drag that into here, and that'll save in my bill of materials. So if I go into my bill of materials now, it should have beam clamps too. Even though I'm not referencing a beam, I'm referencing the beam clamps. Okay. So if I need to add more in, I just go back into here, back into this reference again, add some more beam clamps, click OK, click OK, click OK. So now I've added 4. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go higher, so I've got tube either side. Okay, I know it's showing here, but obviously that's only showing basic there, look, because my beam is a lot bigger. It's showing this bottom piece here. So my measurement from the floor will be the bottom here. So I need to extend this up. So if I click on here and then I go to here again, just click it one more. So I've got higher, go back to my model view, and now I'm higher. So I can connect a beam clamp on there, beam clamp on there. So that's 2, 4, going to be my bill of materials, and then I've got 4 there. Okay. So what I'll have to do now, I'd have to go into this one and do exactly the same thing, or I can copy and paste this one and then get rid of that one and drag the pasted one across. It's as simple as that. You just need to think about what you need to do and how you need to do it. So anything I could do now, I could add bracing going across, bracing all my sides, I could add hop-ups either side. Anything you want to do, you could do, but obviously just remember what you're connecting onto and what you need to connect onto. Alright?